My name is Audrey. I'm a training manager at Campus and Togier. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to place an Axiom X3 implant, diameter 4, length 12, following an efficient and flexible protocol, time-saving oriented. Why is it efficient and flexible? Because this implant is designed to simplify the drilling sequence. You don't have to tap anymore, and you can adapt the number of drills according to the bone density, up to 2 drills less in soft bone. Ready? Let's go! So, to sum up the drilling protocol of Axiom X3. In dense bone, the drilling sequence is pursued up to the drill with the same color code as the implant. For lower bone densities, you can remove the last 1 or 2 drills from the drilling sequence. Easy, don't you think? I hope you liked this video, and I wish to see you soon for another campus video tutorial.